Luxury and lies have a huge maintenance costs, but truth and simplicity are self-maintained, without any cost. Winners are not those who never fail, but those who never quit. It's very easy to defeat someone, but it is very hard to win someone. Thinking is the capital, enterprise is the way, hard work is the solution. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and changed habits will change your future. All birds find shelter during rain, but eagle avoids rain by flying above clouds. All of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. You have to dream before your dreams come true. Failure will never overtake me if my definition to succeed is strong enough. I am not handsome guy, but I can give my hands to someone who needs help. Beauty is in the heart, not in the face. The best brains of the nations may be found on the last benches of the classroom. Look at the sky. We are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us, and conspires only to those who dream and work. I will work and sweat for a great vision of transforming India into a developed nation. Don't read success stories, you will only get message. Read failure stories, you will get some ideas to get success. Your best teacher is your last mistake. One best book is equal to 100 good friends. But one good friend is equal to library. Man needs difficulties in life, because they are necessary to enjoy the success, no matter what is environment around you. It is always possible to maintain brand of integrity. Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to be the top of the Mount Everest, or to the top of your career. If you salute your duty, you no need to salute anybody, but if you pollute your duty, you need to salute everybody. If you want to shine like a sun, first you should burn like a sun. One of very important characteristics of a student is to question. Let the students ask questions. We should not give up, and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. Do we not realize that self-respect comes with self-reliance? Poetry comes from the highest happiness, or the deepest sorrow. If you fail, never give up. Because fail means first attempt in learning. Don't fear for facing failure in the first attempt, because even maths start with 0. Success is when your signature change into autograph. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to comment your favorite quotes. Thanks you for watching the video. See you in the next video.